Oh, bitch, you already fucking locked on there? Okay, well, you're on there now.
Damn. Mm.
See how that works?
Oh, yeah.
It's just automatic. It just fucking just
It's nice.
tightens down as it goes. It's worth its weight in gold.
Yeah, especially if you're work. Yeah, or if you're, you know, one of those guys who rummages bandos. You know, the scrappers, the illegal poaching scrappers.
Yeah, I know. I know what you're talking about. I used to do that. I've done that. There you go. All right, that one's on. Shark bite. Oh.
Shark bite?
What did I do with that fucking... Don't tell me I ain't got it with me either.
I just seen it. I know where that.
You just seen some?
I just seen it, yeah.
Cool.
Oh, this one should just be a frickin' snatch. Snatch-a-roo. Snatch-a-roo-garoo. Excuse me, buddy.
Oh, yeah, why wasn't I billed the $26? I see here every month.
Yeah, buddy, yeah. Wax on, wax off. My ninja. And wouldn't that have sucked if it had just grew legs and walked away? Had me looking like a fool. You know, that's the benefits of, you know, effing with that construction. You get to have a beard.
Okay, so
like
so
actually, it's
we're done
almost
here.
like
I'm at the road to the
standard to have a beard. Sometimes. I was wondering if that was the freaking hot honey. Stuff's kind of the bomb, especially if you're sick. Oh yeah. Yeah, because I had to look everywhere for a filly.
See your knife.
Kapow. Here's her knife too.
You got mine?
Yeah. Wow.
It's right back.
You good?
And they won't charge me.
You using this red piece right here?
No, that's out of here, ain't it? Get out of there. That ain't doing nothing.
Shoot, I'm gonna snag that then. I'll snag that because that might be my nunchucks. Need to give me a look.
Is that your water down there?
No. And my nunchuck. I'd have seen a whole bunch of staples somewhere, but I think it was...
Not them kind of staples. Wire staples. o'clock. I don't know if I tried today.
There's another benefit, you know, to being an old construction worker, man. Always plenty of scrap. And then you get to, and then I get to use it, repurpose it for other stuff.
Son of a bitch. That ain't cutting nothing.
Yeah, it is freaking cluttery down here, dude. Look, we had a whole bunch of, no Phillies though. Is that the sud pump right here?
Huh?
Is that a sud pump?
Yeah. Did he have that replaced? That some pump went out on him. He said down here we can end up.
Yeah, floods, yeah, for sure. Yeah, no, that's what happens. Like, say, you don't pay your utilities, right? Freaking, and any house that's got a sud pump, basically, it's like it's gonna flood. It's almost like the, I don't know. There should be some kind of law where they're like, or it should be wired different to a hotline. Just for sud pumps. Because it's like basically once the foundation, man, gets overly damaged, the whole house falls apart. Don't even take that long. I've done a couple jobs where we had to come in and freaking demo the whole basement.
Really?
Yeah. It was just full of stuff, but it was all just mildew and just gross. Bunch of rot and stuff. Yeah. Go out.
I need to make a phone call.
Oh.
I gotta call Dave. Make sure I'm doing this right.
I hear you. I almost like never, ever get tired of that. I like that kind of crunch it makes. You can actually tell just by the sound, like how accurate your shot is. Like, one of the hardest, actually the best throw I've ever done No lie. Freaking cousin Arnie held up a piece of paper like this, you know, kind of like they do in karate when you break boards. Freaking, and I took a toothpick. It was like, and stuck that sucker into the paper. Like, the craziest thing I ever seen was the Shaolin guy. He freaking took a little sewing needle and he threw it through glass. So it's like you really got to like focus your project with precision.